cat, dog, rabbit. Suit, track suit.
Tell me about yourself and your background. We offer flexible holiday scheduling to accommodate our employees.
Hi, welcome. What can I do for you today?
Hi, I'd like a trim and some layers added for volume.
Sure. How much would you like taken off the ends?
Just an inch or two. I want to keep most of the length.
On weekends, I like to relax. I usually sleep in and then have a big breakfast. In the afternoon, I might go for a walk or meet my friends. Sometimes I watch a movie or read a book. I also like to visit my family.
Very well done. Just small notes for you. Try to say breakfast. The afternoon, it's not the. Always pronounce the.